All right, friends, we're back here on this eve of Friday, watching a little Thursday night football. Bengals and the Browns in the Ohio Toilet Bowl, which is always fun time to watch. And we're back here tonight to take a look at how one would fold a fitted sheet. This was a requested video from some friends of mine, so I thought I'd pass it along. Found a fitted sheet in our linen closet that was just kind of rolled up into a ball, which is sometimes what happens when kids or other folks decide to fold these sheets up, and it's understandable. It can be frustrating, but I'm here to help. So here we go. First thing, let's go ahead and unroll it. We're going to take it and we're going to go inside out. Nope, right side in. So stick your hands in there. You got your corners of your fitted sheet like that. It kind of helps if you're a little taller, obviously. Do that. What you like to do here is just get everything nice and square and put the fitted part in the middle, which helps you kind of square it up, right? Doesn't have to be perfect, but closer you can get to square is good. I mean, let's be honest, anything's better than that hole or that ball of sheet that we had a minute ago. Anyway, so here's what I like to do next is just kind of take one of these sides over. You're going to come about a third of the way over. Right about there. Too bad. Take the other side and just kind of flatten it out like that. We're off to a good start. Now you got to come over to the other side. This is where it gets really tough. What we're going to do here is fold this over to the other side. And if you roll it just a little bit, you can see we're starting to get an actual shape. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just looking for better than a ball. At this point, what we're going to do is just take a quick assessment here. It looks like everything's pretty much in order. Get these corners kind of tidied up a little bit. And now I like to do multiple folds. I'll show you my method. You're welcome to do it however you like. But at this point, you're in what they call in the farming world the short rows, which means you're almost finished. So good stuff. We're going to go one. That's a little bit big. You just got to get the air out of there a little bit. We're going to then go halvesies. So right there. See, I'll show you guys again because that's difficult. We got it right here. Go back to full. And just take about a foot there, maybe two, and then go in half. Look at that. All right, so we're off to a good start here. Not bad, huh? All right, so then we come down the other side. Give this one a little half tuck, kind of like that. And I'll show you why that's important in just a minute. So now what we're going to do is come back to the original side that we started. I'm going to fold. Fold. This is a little bit too long. Bring that back a little bit. And fold again. Now, why was that other thing important? Because look, see now you've got a nice even tuck right there. Tuck it right over. Like that. Fold your other sheet, set it on top of it, put it in the linen closet. No ball, no problem. Fitted sheet, fold it. You're welcome.